Now you can start your weekend, right? So here we go. We got Contenders NBA Hobby Basketball 4-box break number 2. Iceman up top. Can he get some love? Iceman do. There's H House, JST, JC, Straw, First T, GF Bucks. Hey, these boxes were up in the personals too, and I feel like they were a pretty good deal. What was that? Blowouts at $500 a box. What was I at? $325? I think I was there. That's pretty damn good, isn't it? I don't know. I thought it was. Okay, so save those 4 boxes for a rainy day there. Because I got other boxes where the personals are going to come from, because they're sitting right over there on the shelf. So this last 4 over there, we'll figure it out. Okay, here we go. Because I wasn't sure if we were going to knock all the rounds out, but anyway, so eventually we'll get to it. Here's John Morant. That was one of those where it was making me mad that I couldn't get it, so I was determined to make it happen. I like it. Apply a little pressure and make it happen. Here's Jordan Norwa over to Milwaukee. And that'll be Jamie R. Good to see you, Jamie R. And you got Isaac Okoro. And you got Tyreese Halliburton, lottery ticket. I'd like to see some different variations of those lottery tickets. All right, here's Gordon Hayward, 26 out of 149. So we're in the Contenders 4-box number 2. We're jumping back over to football after this. The Contenders draft. Here's Damian Lillard. High noons. Must have slugged that one a little quick. there's Kawhi Leonard. And, heyo, I'm going to take that all day long. That's a nice little banger right there. R.J. Hampton. Over to Denver. Iceman. There you go, buddy. That might be what, 3 buy-ins? Might be more? It's pretty good. I like it, man. Dude's selling well. All right, then you got a Josh Green, Rookie of the Year, back over to Dallas. But I like it this year, man. I got a lot of some vet content. We're checking it out, which is good. Here's Jamal Murray. And you got Tobias Harris out of 249. And the last pack here in this box, one of those silver guys. Chris Paul. Silver going over to the Phoenix. Oh, who's got Phoenix? And where? Yeah, that's going to be Big Earn. Hey, buddy. Big Earn in the mix. Cool. All right, still got 3 boxes to go. Definitely going to have to empty out some trash here today. So hopefully you guys got a frosty adult beverage. And we're going to get back over to Contenders Draft right after this. The last break of Contenders Draft is up for you guys. Like I said, I'm still kind of debating. I got to see how busy it is going to be on Tuesday with all of the stuff going down. I mean, I'm really excited about the lounge, but I know it's going to be a ton of work as well. So here's a rookie season ticket premium edition of Emmanuel Quickley going over to the Knicks. That'll be JC Barfly. There you go, bud. So that'll be that nice silver, like prism optichrome. Here's Jalen Smith. Suns. Big Earn. And you got a legendary, Julius Erving. That's over to the 76ers. And Aaron Gordon, 16 out of 99. Over to Orlando. Stroll, 39-30. And here's James Harden. Good to see Stroll 39-30 back up in the mix. Been a while, brother. Here's Siakam over to the Raptors. And a Jaden McDaniels on card. over to the Timberwolves. So, Iceman, there you go, buddy. Another auto under the belt for you. And James Wiseman, Rookie of the Year. Another one. Lottery ticket. And James Harden, 85 out of 249 over to Brooklyn. Game time. There you go, dude. Last pack in this box, another Devin Booker. Sweet shots. All right. Next box. So 2 to go. Okay. Put them backwards. All right, here's Tyreese Halliburton. Over to Sacramento. H-House. All right, Iceman, do it one time. Do it one time for the ice. Another Emmanuel Quickly. Come on now. JC Barfly. There you go, buddy. So you got the rookie playoff ticket. Thought it was going to be old LaMelo. Tyreese Halliburton. And you got Anyika. And remember, too, if you don't have anything after all this said and done, I fired in there for you. All right, here's Udoka, 55 out of 99, over to Utah and Amosa. There you go, buddy. A little twofer in here. Siakam again. Saddiq Bey. All right, there's Denny. Over to the Wiz. That's Jamie R. And you got Draymond Green, 97 out of 249. The Golden State, JST. And you got Zion. Sweet shots. Last couple in this box. There's the legendary contenders of Magic Johnson. Like I said, those always look like they're going to be one of ones, but they're not. All right. They look like it. There you go. Take a Steph Curry. 20 out of 49 over to Golden State and JST. There you go, buddy. And I got a Kyrie. Over to Brooklyn. All right, one more box left to go. Then we'll jump back over to the Contenders Draft Football. We'll start back up on number 3. And then we got a boatload of personals as well. I'll be knocking around. All right, so there's the superstar of Anthony Davis. Die cut. Another legendary of Dennis Rodman over to the Bulls. And you got DeMar DeRozan out of 149. And Chef again over to Golden State, JST. Saddiq Bey, Rookie of the Year. More Saddiq Bey. That's 17 out of 99 though. On card playoff ticket over to Detroit. That'll be Straw, 39-30. There you go, dude. All right, then you got Zion. Sweet shots. A couple left to go. That'll be on Yika. Over to Atlanta. And you got Joseph out of 249 over to Portland. Yeah, good. There's Portland at. It's going to be Iceman. All right, Anthony Edwards. Lottery ticket. 2 packs to go. And Denny. You guys got quiet. I know. Everybody start out running hot. All right, more Pistons. Isaiah Stewart. Going over to Detroit, so Straw 39-30. Cleaning house with Detroit. Oh, boy. All right, man. Well, like I said, we'll save those last 4 boxes for the last one of those breaks when we get back here. And like I said, I got the personal boxes on the other side. There's basketball. All right, let's jump back over to Contenders Draft Football. Let me see if I can just get this list here right quick. And yeah, grab a drink. Yeah, I don't know.